What do you feel before an event? From wondering.
Focused. Excited. I'm probably a little nervous.
Does the excitement help?
Yes, yeah. Probably more the focus helps. Yeah.
You know, I've seen you rehearsing.
Yes.
Before, and
Yeah.
that was really expressive.
Okay.
Is it the same pattern you're seeing today?
Yeah. Just sort of exploring how that works within this space as well is what I'll be playing with today. As well.
You know, the design almost speaks a language.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm glad. What is it speaking to you? What is it saying?
It's like a burst of rainbow colors.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, a fresh feeling I perceive from it.
Okay.
Yeah. Is it meant to do that?
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. There's the fabric that Rosa and I picked out as sort of particularly Romany. And then other fabric I've picked out from my collections as sort of that means something to me, and exploring how these sort of spiralling communities sort of interact, always spiraling around each other but not quite interacting. So that's sort of what I've been exploring.
So it's a blend of Romani and its effect on you.
Yeah. Just really highlighting that everyone goes on journeys, no matter who they are, and all different journeys, of course. But everyone goes on journeys, and this has really highlighted that. I mean, there's so many different journeys that people have been on.
When you speak of journeys, I mean, it reminds me of what happens. I mean, the experience. Mm-hmm. I mean, when you speak of journeys, it reminds me of the experience that emerges out of them, how people meet and connect, and the struggles they go through to identify and navigate everything that they encounter. Here we are talking about the Roma people especially. What do we have to learn from them?
What do we have to learn from the Roma people? Lots and lots. I guess I would say how we can adapt to various different circumstances, situations. It's also interesting, I think what I've really valued is sort of putting up a mirror to my own society, and realising that while I've sort of felt like I was sedentary and settled, really that's not true, and that it's not just that. I mean, there's lots of other things, but just really reflecting on my own understanding of my own society.
So, being involved in Flamenko, does it give you a feeling to discover more of the world?
Yes, being part of this festival has definitely encouraged me and made me want to learn more and explore more. Yeah.
When I look at the floor, one word stands out: individualism. I see it. How does that? I mean, well, how does that emerge in flamenco for you?
Individuality.
Exactly.
I guess just highlighting that everyone is human, and we're all individual. We all have our own journeys, but there is a shared experience of being human and having a life. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Now, just one final word. How do you feel after all this?
Good. Yeah, lots to think about, lots to reflect on. Yeah.
I have a color of maps in my brain right now.
Sorry?
I mean, my mind is colorful right now, just looking at that.
Because of the map. Good. Good. Good.
Thank you so much. Right, that's Hannah Gree Johnston, and we saw a massive, wonderful performance exhibiting Romanic culture, journeys that unite and connect different people and locations. This is Flamenko, storming Coventry for the first time. It's going to be a week long, full of excitement and dance. This is Cultural Mundi, all about global cultures.